Have you ever wondered why we change our clocks twice a year? Well, this practice is known as daylight saving time, a concept that adjusts our timekeeping to make better use of daylight during the longer days of the year. The idea is to push our clocks forward 1 hour in the spring, providing an extra hour of daylight in the evening. Then, as autumn approaches and the days shorten, we revert our clocks back, returning to standard time. This concept was originally introduced with the goal of conserving energy. The thought was that by extending daylight hours, people would use less artificial light, thereby saving on energy costs. The inventor of this intriguing concept, a gentleman named George Vernon Hudson. An entomologist by trade, Hudson proposed this idea back in the late 19th century, primarily to give himself more daylight hours to collect insects. Now that we know what daylight saving time is and why it was introduced, let's delve a little deeper into its history. The concept of daylight saving time has a rich history that's worth exploring. The first inkling of this idea sprouted in the mind of a New Zealand entomologist named George Vernon Hudson back in 1895. Hudson proposed a 2-hour shift to make better use of daylight during the summer months. It wasn't until the turbulence of World War I that daylight saving time was first implemented, primarily as a strategy to conserve coal. The concept was resurrected again during World War II for the same reason. Over in the United States, the practice of adjusting clocks was a bit chaotic until the Uniform Time Act of 1966. This act standardized the start and end dates for daylight saving time across the country, providing a semblance of order to the time change. So daylight saving time has had quite a journey, hasn't it? But let's not stop there. As with any major change, daylight saving time hasn't been without its share of controversies and effects. It has sparked debates around the globe, primarily due to the confusion it often creates. Not everyone springs forward or falls back on the same day or even at all, which can lead to misunderstandings and missed appointments. Moreover, the health impacts of daylight saving time cannot be overlooked. The sudden shift in time can disrupt our sleep patterns, leading to potential health issues like fatigue, decreased productivity, and even heart problems. Contrary to popular belief, it doesn't necessarily save energy either. The initial intent was to reduce electricity use, but studies have shown mixed results, with some even indicating an increase in energy consumption. Furthermore, not all countries observe daylight saving time, and its impact varies across different sectors. For instance, it can affect farming routines and the entertainment industry in unexpected ways. So there you have it, a brief dive into the world of daylight saving time. It's a fascinating concept, isn't it? And it's a part of our lives we often take for granted. So the next time you set your clock forward or backward, remember the history and controversy that comes with it.